Morning, YouTube. It's Elon QP, Queen Pam here on YouTube. Thank you for subscribing, watching my videos, and please give me a thumbs up. Want to show you what I made with my Pause for Thought stamp that I got from Unity. And here's the card that I made for a friend who lost her pet. The paper is all paper tray. I stamped in VersaFine Onyx Black. I even stenciled, and the stencil is also paper tray. Let me see if I can find it. Yep, this is the stencil, Paw Print Stencil Collection, and I used this one over some of their paper. Don't remember what the paper was called, but it was some of their background paper. Don't know that they still sell it because I was able to get it when they had one live event for like $1 a pack. Yeah, I grabbed as much of it as I could. And then on the inside, I die cut this with Trinity Stamps rectangles because I don't know if you'll be able to see it. There is a little bit of a embossed design right on that edge. Let's see if I can make this focus on it. You can kind of see it there and better here. And so I layered them up so that I could cut out a frame, and I put that on the inside and used the sentiment. But that's not what I came here today to show you. Well, actually, I will. I'll make this separate. So that's what I did with the Unity stamp Pause for Thought and Paw Print Stencil Collection. As always, I leave you in the hands of the creator. Bye-bye.